Even a 5% improvement in conversion rate can increase revenue by 15 to 25% without spending a single extra rupee on marketing. If you're still growing purely through ads and discounts, you're playing the slow game. Let me break down exactly how to improve store performance fast. Retail used to be simple. More footfall meant more sales. But today, customers walk in already informed. They've compared prices and read reviews online. Performance is no longer about inventory or location alone. It's about experience, conversion efficiency, and operational precision. Most retailers chase sales numbers instead of fixing the inputs that create them. Revenue equals footfall times, conversion times, average bill value, improving even one consistently, and performance jumps. Improve all three strategically, and growth accelerates fast. Here are 5 critical levers. 1. Fix conversion first. If 100 people walk in and only 20 buy, your problem isn't marketing, it's in-store execution. Train staff on greeting, need discovery, product storytelling, and closing. A 3 to 5% conversion lift dramatically increases daily revenue. 2. Increase average bill value. Cross-selling and upselling should be structured, not random. Create product pairings, bundle intelligently. Even adding 300 to 500 rupees per bill scales massively over a month. 3. Optimize store layout. High-margin products belong in high-visibility zones. Observe customer movement patterns. Small layout adjustments drive immediate results. 4. Track daily KPIs. Monthly reports are too late. Track footfall, conversion, bill value, and staff productivity daily. Retail is a daily execution game. 5. Staff accountability. Clear targets, visible dashboards, small daily incentives. When staff see numbers and understand expectations, performance improves fast. Step 1. Calculate your current conversion rate and average bill value. If you don't measure it, you can't improve it. Step 2. Identify the weakest metric and focus there first. Step 3. Implement one structured improvement, training, layout shift, or bundling, and track results daily for 14 days. Fix one lever, measure, then scale. An apparel store improved conversion from 18% to 24% through structured staff training. Revenue increased 22% in 60 days. A footwear retailer introduced mandatory product pairing at billing. Average bill value grew 12% in 1 quarter. A lifestyle store reorganized its layout using sales data. High-margin sales grew 30% in 90 days. This happens when performance is managed intentionally. Pick one metric, conversion or average bill value, and improve it in the next 24 hours. Retail growth isn't magic. It's math, execution, and discipline. What's your biggest challenge? Footfall, conversion, or billing value? Drop it in the comments.